Lovely. Doing math.
Occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Now we're leaving. Alright, you guys. Well, this is interesting.
Warmer chest out of the deck.
There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly.
Let me guess, it was someone vaping again. We're on the third floor this time. So. Now, I keep getting a lot of comments that the voice evac is super quiet. It's a lot louder in person than it is on the video. And yeah, that strobe is dead. It's very quiet down here. Someone's vaping. Someone's vaping again in the bathroom. Lovely. Doing math and have another.
A lot of fun.
What the heck? What the heck? I swear they were not synced before.
Sometimes he doesn't. I was told, and then his text me was like, hey, I can do that. It's like, dude.
The commanders are on gun texting, but I swear they weren't before.
They better give us more time.
I don't know if I'm demented, but I swear they were not on sync before. That's it again.
Dude, I was man. I was chiefing that shit in, and I blew it right into the alarm. Fucking went off. I was like, what the fuck, man? I didn't think it was gonna go off.
Do you swear to God that you're telling the truth?
I swear to God that I was lying.